Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve example problems in chapter 15 probability. Today we start our discussion with example 4. The problem is one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace, will not be an ace. So here totally there are 52 cards. And here we have to find the probability of getting an ace and not an ace. So here let E be the event that the card is an ace. So totally there are 4 aces in a deck. That is, among 52 cards there are 4 aces. So here the number of possible outcome is 52 because the total number of cards here are 52 in number. Therefore the probability of E is 4 divided by 52 because here the question is we have to select an ace among the 52 cards. So total number of outcomes, that is number of possible outcomes is 52. And how many ace cards are there in total? Only 4. Therefore here the probability is 4 by 52 and once you cancel here the answer is 1 by 13. Okay, this is your first option. Then the next one is not be an ace. So here let F be the event that card drawn is not an ace. So here the thing is number of outcomes favorable to the event F because out of 52 cards there are only 4 ace cards. So not an ace card means obviously 52 minus 4 which is equal to 48. So out of 52 cards there are 48 not ace cards. So what is the probability ratio? So here the P of F is nothing but 48 by 52. So here 52 is number of possible outcomes and 48 stands for the cards that are not ace. So once you cancel here the answer is 12 by 13. Okay, this is one method of solving this second part. The other method is, as we all know, probability of F, that is you see probability of F plus probability of F bar actually. Okay, we have to write like this, which is equal to 1. Since here I had denoted as F and A, I had written like this. So once you find the answer right, what is the possibility of getting an ace card? This is 1 by 13. So probability of not getting an ace card is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 13. Here I had written as 4 by 42. Okay, even you can write it as 1 minus 1 by 13. Both gives the same answer. You better go with this. Okay, solving will be easy. So once you take LCM, what happens here? 13 minus 1 by 13. So it is 12 by 13. So here you see the final answer is 12 by 13. So for the second part, you can solve by any way. You see here both the answers are the same. So example 5. Two players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? So here there are two players playing a tennis match. So here the probability of winning one player is given as 0.62 and here we are asked to find what is the probability of another player winning. So here you see probability of Sangeeta's winning be P of S, which is 0.62. Then what will be the probability of Reshma's winning? It is obviously 1 minus P of S because only two players are playing and the probability of winning of one player is given. So how to find the probability of winning the other player? You have to subtract, or simply, okay, you have to subtract from 1. Or other words, you can say probability of Sangeeta winning be P of S and probability of Sangeeta not winning is P of S bar. So here which is equal to 1. So here Sangeeta is winning, this is given, it is 0.62. When Sangeeta is not winning, obviously who will be winning? Reshma will be winning, right? So here the same concept here, right? So in order to find the probability of Reshma winning, you have to subtract 1 minus P of S, which I had done here. So here the answer is 0.38. Hope you understand this problem, right? Now we will proceed with our example 6. So Savita and Hamita are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays? And second option is same birthday, ignoring the leap year. So here in this case, in order to avoid confusions, I started solving the second one first, and with the help of this answer, I had calculated for the first one. So here you see, ignoring leap year. So a normal year has how many days? 365 days, and a leap year has 366 days. So here we have to ignore the leap year. So we have to take only 365 days in a year. So first one, when both Savita and Hamida have same birthdays. So same birthday means out of 365 days, both the girls, okay, Savita and Hamida will be celebrating their birthday on the same day. For example, here I am taking January 10. So on January 10, Savita and Hamida will be celebrating their birthdays. So here how many days here? Only one day, because on the same day both the girls have their own birthdays. So here the number of favorable outcomes for the same birthday is 1 because they are celebrating on the same day. So what is the possible number of possible outcomes? Obviously in a year there are 365 days and these girls are celebrating their birthdays on a single day, okay, on one common day. So here what is the probability that Savita and Hamida have the same birthday? So obviously here it is 1 by 365. Here 365 stands for number of possible outcomes and 1 stands for here both the girls are celebrating on the same day. Right. Now we will gradually move to the first part when they have different birthdays. So here what is the basic formula of probability? That is an event is happening. Okay, probability of an event happening plus probability of an event not happening is equal to 1. So here in this case, we have calculated the value of one thing. Okay, they are celebrating on the same day. So let this one be P of E. So to find P of E bar is nothing but 1 minus probability of E. Right. So here let this be probability of E also. So 1 minus 1 by 365. So when you take LCM, 365 minus 1 by 365, which is nothing but 364 by 365. Right. Here the thing is, among this 365 days, right, 365 days, one day is celebrated as birthday for Savita. Right. Then what about the possibility of Hamida to celebrate her birthday? Rest of the 364 days, she can have any one day as her birthday. Am I making sense here? Because once you solve these different birthdays first, there are a lot of confusions and you people may get easily confused, I believe. So once you solve when they have the same birthday first and when you solve for different birthdays, it will be pretty easier. I believe you people will never make any mistakes. Am I making clear the concept? Here they are celebrating birthday on a common day, right? For example, Jan 10. So out of 365 days, they are celebrating on one common day. So it is 1 by 365. On different birthdays means what is the probability that one day will be celebrated as birthday by Savita and among these 364 days, any one day will be celebrated as birthday by Hamida. That is the meaning here. That's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.